Hey everyone, my name is Roshni and today I'm going to show you how to make a GIF from a video. Here are a few simple steps using Adobe Express. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Express and hit Create New. You can upload or simply just drag and drop your video into the editor. Any common format works here. MP4, MOV, it's all good to go. Whether you're making product highlights or for your travel creation, GIF is a perfect starting point for your online or business content. They're short and sweet, ideally just 2 to 5 seconds. So go ahead and trim your video to the moment that works best. Think loop-worthy, a smile, a wave, or a simple movement. This is great if you're running a promo or creating bite-sized content for social media stories or product demo. Next, if you would like to make your GIF a little more personal, you can add a short text or a simple sticker. This works best, especially well for a customer shoutouts and adding personality to your product stories online. Here are some GIF ideas you can explore. First, a thank you GIF, specially made for small business to send to their customers. Then you can try a coupon code or discount GIF, something perfect for travel curators, event hosts, or workshop promos. And lastly, you can go for a beautiful title GIF, ideal for solo business owners and creators. These add the right vibe, build trust, and speak your brand without saying too much. And that's it. Just click download and choose GIF. You can set the quality too. Adobe Express lets you choose what works best. Use it in your emails, post it on your socials, add it to your website, wherever you want to add a bit of motion. These little touches helps your business stand out, whether you are selling on Amazon, Flipkart, or your own site. Try Adobe Express now. Website link is in the caption. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.